Right, so here we are with the Midland 77805 UK. This is the second set. The video was on the repair of the first set. This is the better set of the two, but we're still looking as to if we can improve the receive at all on the other one. So, kind of on with the next repair, which is a Harvard 410 handheld in bits. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
21, go ahead.
Roger on the Midland 77805 UK Port-A-Pak.
Roger that.
So we're on the speaker mic, so what you're hearing is out of this. There is no built-in speaker in this type of radio, it's just a blank bottom.
Up to the end of the line.
Got you at the end of the line.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster Service Station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Service Station. We've got lift on again, haven't we, over?
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, we'll see how we go.
Right, square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now going out the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and it's a Midland 805 Port-A-Pak, and it is a full 4 watts over.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, and despite the lift conditions we did manage that. So thanks very much, 1010. Right, we're going to see what it sounds like on our Harrier CBHQ base station. Hope you can hear over the air conditioner.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 77805 Port-A-Pak, and it's the UK version because there are two versions, and this is with the original speaker mic into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thanks for watching.